really sweet way to pass down recipes. This is a recipe binder set. I really like this set because it lets me share recipes in a variety of different ways. Look at all the stuff it comes with. It's a 3-ring binder, which is really helpful. It has a kitchen conversion chart, and it comes with recipe cards, holders for recipes, and full sleeves, as well as recipe dividers. How cute is that? The recipe dividers help you organize, and this recipe card stack will motivate you to write down your favorite recipes. What I love about these two guys is this one will allow you to slip in some of your favorite recipes, especially the vintage ones that are precious to you. A full-size index card will fit in here, and you can add some old ones that are written by people that you love, as well as add some that you just clip off of a box. All those different types of materials will fit in there. And this open sleeve I really like because you can put anything in there, something you want to follow up on. I tear out recipes from magazines often, and that will fit perfectly in there. So you can have a very organized recipe system that comes with everything you see here. And this particular recipe binder set has different covers that you can choose from. The gift box matches the cover, and I just thought this print was so fun. A great gift idea and a great way to produce a special gift for those in your life that you would like to share family recipes with.